From DOA Arms from Virginia Beach. That's a company in Virginia Beach, Virginia. I don't remember getting an email from them at all. I don't even know what's in here, guys. The package inside the package is, name it is Michael from Virginia Beach. Whoa, dude. Says, Dear Knife Doctor, I trust this message find you and your family in good health. I recently discovered your channel. I have thoroughly enjoyed watching your shows. I've also been curious about disassembling and reassembling knives, and your demonstrations have been both informative and entertaining. I'd also like to express my gratitude for your service in the Marines. It holds special meaning for me. As my son is currently serving in the Marines, we eagerly anticipate his return home for Christmas. Enclosed with this message are a few items for your consideration. A knife in a case box. While I am certain if it is a case brand, this belonged to my father, who believed that every gentleman should possess a quality pocket knife. 2. A case knife that served as my daily carry, but I have since acquired a new one. I thought you might appreciate it. 3. A marine knife that caught my eye for its unique design. I wanted to share it with you. 4. The remaining knives are used but still have some life in them. I thought you might find them interesting. I want to extend my heartfelt thanks for your channel and the joy it brings. I'm wishing you and your family a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Michael, I appreciate this so much, buddy. I really do. Thank you so much. I hope your son got to come home for Christmas, and I hope y'all had a wonderful and a wonderful time to spend with him. Because I know what it means to come home for Christmas, being so far away. I really do. But thank you again. But Michael sent me a Pelican flashlight. Man, that's nice. I love flashlights, buddy. I will open this thing up and I'll start to use this. Sure will. A Pelican too. Those are nice. Appreciate that. Let's see what else he got. There's a Marine Corps. Oh, man. Check that out. Ain't that cool? This is awesome, buddy. A Hero's Valor Prayer. Lord, watch over me as I perform my duties and serve my country. Please grant me the courage, strength, and determination to pace my responsibilities with a hero's valor. Amen. Man, thank you, Michael. I appreciate that, buddy, so much. Man, I love that. Here is a Sheffield Stockman. Got your sheepfoot blade, spade blade, and a clip blade. This is nice, man. I love the wood handles on here. Check this bad boy out. Man, that is nice. Seatbelt cutter. Marine Corps emblem, hoorah. Check that out. Man, that's nice. Tonto blade. Michael, man, this is nice, buddy. Very nice. Very, very nice. Awesome, buddy. Thank you so much. Got the liner lock. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Got the glass breaker back there too. Very cool, man. Thank you, Michael. Whoa, check that out. A Congress. Frost cutlery. The handle's a stag. Man, it's a pretty knife here. Beautiful. This is awesome, Michael. Thank thank you so much, man. This is beautiful, buddy. Good snap. Awesome. Surgical steel, made in Japan. Awesome, but that's a beautiful Congress. Check this bad boy out. What is this? SBB 60. Never heard of that now. Taiwan. I love that though. That's pretty scenery on that. It's a nice little lock blade, man. Thank you so much. I love this, buddy. Beautiful. It's a nice knife, man. Very nice knife. Here's a case knife. Whoa. Check that out, man. It's a 2012 yellow composite edition. Clean this one up now. This is a beautiful knife, man. Beautiful knife, buddy. Michael, thank you, buddy, so much. I love that. I'm going to have to carry this one for a little while, man. I'll clean it up. Beautiful knife, buddy. Man, I'm going to clean this up real soon. Thank you, Michael, so much for these gifts, man. Let's check this flashlight out. I love a good flashlight. It said batteries are included, so. Michael, thank you again, man. This is so nice of you, buddy. Got a belt clip too. Bet it's got like a. Okay, yeah. You gotta take that off to. There we go. Yeah, we gotta take this off. Ain't that cool? Very cool, man. Well made too. Little belt clip. I love that. Light output 160 lumens. Run time about 19 hours on these batteries. That's a lot. Beam distance in meters 144. How many is that in feet? That's 472 feet. Pretty cool. Peak beam intensity. I don't know what that is. Waterproof. Wow. IPX7. That's pretty good. It's rated pretty good. I think the scale is from 0 to 9. And a 7 is pretty good at being waterproof. It says security lanyard. There it is. How about that? I love a lanyard, man. Let's see. Dude, I love this flashlight. Check that out. Yes, sir. Very nice. Then it's got a, you can lock this too. Right down here. Get one of my screwdrivers over here. That way you can lock that lid down. It won't twist off, see? Ain't that cool? Man, I love that. Michael, thank you, buddy, so much. And Pelican's a good brand, too. I want to thank Michael from Virginia Beach. We already got a package that has come from Virginia Beach before. Virginia Beach is 681 miles from Ellaville, Georgia. I just want to thank you again, Mike, for all the knives and the flashlight, buddy. Appreciate it so much. Michael, I appreciate all this stuff, man. I really do. Appreciate the case knife, the challenge coin, all that stuff. And this flashlight I absolutely love. It's a Pelican 3315. Y'all check that out. Check them up on the Amazon. It's kind of pricey. I appreciate it, Mike. It's very well made, though. And it's bright, too. Y'all check that out. See how bright that is? It's bright, man. And a lanyard, belt clip. Very well made. Very well made. Thank you again, Mike. I've got more of these videos to get out, what the subscribers have sent me. I got to try to get caught up this weekend and early next week, so you'll be seeing a few of these come out back to back. So the content will come. I'm currently working on a couple of knives, so it's a slow process on that. So you'll understand when I show them. So I just want to thank y'all again for tuning in. I just want to say God bless y'all, and until we meet again, y'all be like a good night. Stay sharp.